Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install HP Deskjet GT 5810 printer driver in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First step is check our PC or laptop is 32-bit or 64-bit. That is very easy to check it. Go to this PC, right click on this PC, click on the properties. Wait for a few seconds. In a properties, scroll down and find system type. In a properties, find system type. Here we find 32-bit, then that machine is 32-bit operating system machine. If you find system type is 64-bit, that means that machine is 64-bit operating system machine. This machine is 64-bit operating system machine. Close it. Next step is download our printer driver. Go to any web browser that you like. I am going to the Google Chrome. In a search, type HP Deskjet GT 5810 printer driver and hit enter key on your keyboard. First link is from the support.hp.com official website of the HP printer. Here we find our printer name and software and driver. Okay, open that first link, open the first link, whatever first link is, open that first link. Here we find the official website. Here we find our printer name and here we find the operating system and PIT. If operating system or PIT is not right, then click on choose a different OS, select Windows. In our version, if Windows 10 32-bit, then select Windows 10 32-bit. If Windows 10 64-bit, then select Windows 10 64-bit, and after that click on the updates, and this page or this whole website goes to the refresh. After that scroll down and here we find software utility. In some cases software utility or any other things or the basic drivers, then find your drivers. Okay, in this case it is in software utility. Here we find HP Deskjet, our printer name, and print and scan driver and accessories. Okay, here is our drivers. Here we find the file size. Here we find the download. Click on the download. It's redirect you to the another HP official website, and our download is started at the top, and it's take few seconds to download to complete. Our download is complete. Go to the downloads, click on show in folder, minimize it and drag this setup file to desktop. Close it. Here we find our printer driver file. And these printer driver files are actually a zip file, and we are going to unzip it. That is very easy. Go to your setup file or driver setup file, right click on it, click on the extract files, click on the OK. Now it is extracting and it's take few minutes or few seconds depending on the speed of your PC or laptop. Or download. Our unzip process is complete. Go to your newly created folder or unzip folder or extracted folder, double click on it. Here we find our drivers and we are going to install these drivers. Close it. And next step is install that drivers. That is very easy and simple. Go to the start, type printers and scanners, click on the printers and scanners. In a printers and scanner at the top, we find add a printer or scanner. Click on add a printer or scanner. Wait for a few seconds and new options are pop up on our screen. New options are the printer that I want isn't listed. Click on that. The printer that I want isn't listed. Close it. Here we find add a printer. In a add a printer, we find many options. Go to the last option, add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Select last option and click on the next. Here we find existing port, most IMP part of this installation, and click at here. Select that here, click at here and select any USB port that you want. USB 001, USB 002, USB 003, USB 004. Select any USB port that you want. Select any USB port and click on the next. Here we find hard disk. Click on hard disk, click on the browse, click on the desktop. Here we find newly extracted folder or unzip folder, double click on it. Here we find some files. Select any file that you want. I select this file. You can select any file that you want. All file contains same printer driver. Select any file and click on the open, click on the OK. Here we find HP Deskjet 5810 series. It is a series printer. Select our printer, click on the next. Give any name that you want. I go with the same name. You can give any name that you like and click on the next. It is installing our printer. It takes few seconds to install our printer. Wait for few seconds. Our printer is installed. If you want to share this printer in a network, then select last option. I don't. So I select do not share this printer. First option. Click on the next. If you want to print a test page, then click on a printer test page or click on finish. Next step is check our printer is properly installed or not. Go to the start. Type printers and scanners. Click on the printers and scanners. in a printer list. If you find your printer name HP Deskjet 5810, that means your printer is properly installed and it's work 110% in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.